Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Learning Steps. Today's topic is Janapada. It is in the Tili Kannada textbook for class 5. Here in this video, we are going to explain the question and answer in English. So it will be easy for all of you to understand. So let's start. First question. Padagala Artha Bareiri. Padagala means word. Artha means meaning. Bareiri means write. So write the word meaning. So the first word is Kusula. Kusula means Chittara. In English, the meaning is picture. Next word, Jigiyali. Jigiyali means Jigurali. Jigurali means in English it is let it sprout. Next one, Jaya. Jaya means Geluvu. In English, the meaning is victory. Next question, ಒಂದು ವಾಕ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಉತ್ತರಿಸಿ. ಒಂದು means one, ವಾಕ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ means sentence, ಉತ್ತರಿಸಿ means answer. So write the answer in one sentence. So the first question is ಮಗು ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೆ ಹಠ ಮಾಡುತ್ತದೆ. Means ಮಗು means child. ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೆ means what makes. ಹಠ means stubborn. ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾಡೆ means what makes the child stubborn. Why the child was stubborn. So the answer is ಮಗು ಹಾಲು ಕೋಲು ಹಾಗೂ ಮೊಸರಿಗಾಗಿ ಹಠ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾಳೆ. Means why the child was stubborn means what he wants. The child insists on halu means milk, kolu means sticks, and mosarigagi means yogurt. Next one. ಮಗುವಿನ ಚಂದ್ರವನ್ನು ಜನಪದರು ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಲಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Means ಮಗುವಿನ means the child, ಚಂದ್ರವದನು means the beauty of the child, ಜನಪದರು means the folk tales, ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೆ means what, ಹೋಲಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ means compare. So what do folk tales compare the beauty of a child to? So the answer is ಮಗುವಿನ ಚಂದ್ರವನ್ನು ಜನಪದರು ಹಾವಿನ ಹೆಡೆಗೆ ಮಾವಿನ ಮಿಡಿಗೆ ಹರಿದುವ ಗಿಳಿಗೆ ಹೋಲಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Means ಮಗುವಿನ means the child, the children, ಚಂದ್ರವದನು means the beauty of a child, ಜನಪದರು means in folk tale, ಹಾವಿನ means the snake, ಹೆಡೆಗೆ means hood of a snake, and ಮಾವಿನ means small mangoes, and ಹರಿದುವ ಗಿಳಿಗೆ means the parrot that spread its wings. So the folk tale has compared the beauty of a child to the hood of a snake, small mangoes, and the parrot that spreads the wing. Next one. ಮಗುವಿನ ಗೆಜ್ಜೆ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿಯದು. Means ಮಗುವಿನ means the baby, ಗೆಜ್ಜೆ means the anklet, ಯಾವ means what, ರೀತಿಯದು means which type of anklet the baby was putting. So the answer is ಮಗುವಿನ ಗೆಜ್ಜೆ ಕುಸುಲದ ಗೆಜ್ಜೆ means the baby's anklet was delicate anklet. ಕುಸುಲದ means very delicate. So next question. ಹೊಸಗನ್ನಡ ರೂಪದಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆಯಿರಿ. ಹೊಸಗನ್ನಡ means the new Kannada words. Janapada means in ancient time these words are using, but nowadays these words are changed into this form. So the first word is Attana. Attana means crying, and in new Kannada it is Alutane. Next one, Kunidana. Kunidana, ancient time we are using Kunidana in Janapada time. So now the word is Kuniyutane, is meaning dance. Next word, Tulidana. Tulidana means stamping, and in New Kannada it is Tuliyutane. Next word, Manigela. Manigela means in the house, and in New Kannada it is Maneya Lela. Next word, Iralava, and in New Kannada it is Irali Ava. It means let it be. The next word is Chigiyali, and now it is using Chigurali. Chigurali means let's go. Next question. ಸ್ವಂತ ವಾಕ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆಯಿರಿ. ಸ್ವಂತ means one, ವಾಕ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ means sentence, ಬರೆಯಿರಿ means write. So write your own sentence. So the first word is ಅಳು. ಅಳು means cry. So the sentence is ಮಗು ಜೋರಾಗಿ ಅಳುತ್ತಿದೆ. ಮಗು means the baby, ಜೋರಾಗಿ means loudly, ಅಳುತ್ತಿದೆ means crying. So the baby is crying loudly. Second word, kuni. Kuni means jump. So the sentence is ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಮೈದಾನದಲ್ಲಿ ಕುಣಿಯುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಮಕ್ಕಳು means children. ಮೈದಾನದಲ್ಲಿ means in the field. ಕುಣಿಯುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ means jumping. So children are jumping in the field. Next question. ಈ ಪದಗಳನ್ನು ಬಿಡಿಸಿ ಬರೆಯಿರಿ means unscramble the word and write them down. So the first word is halvedi. Halvedi, if we unscramble, what will happen? Halu plus bedi. So the next word is kolbedi. It will be kolu plus bedi. Next one, vosaravedi. It will be vosaru plus bedi. Next word, kesarayattu. It will be kesaru plus ayattu. Next question, padya purnagolisi means complete the poem. Padya means poem, purnagolisi means complete. So the poem is Elladaru Eralava means Elladaru means wherever. Eralava means you are there. Wherever you are there. Hulagi means grass. Belayalli means grow. So wherever you are there, you should grow like grass. Next is Neli Badyagi Chigiyali means Neli means gooseberry. So Badyagi Chigiyali means you should grow like gooseberry tree. Nanakanda means my baby. Next, Jayavantanagi Balayali means Jayavantangi means victoriously. Velayali means you should grow. So may you grow victoriously. Next question. Lekhana Chinnegalu means article symbol. So the first one is Punnaviram. Punnaviram means full stop. Next one, Alpaviram means comma. Third one, Prasnarthaka Chinne means question mark. Next symbol, Avarana Chinne. Avarana Chinne means bracket. Next one, Bhavasuchaka Chinne means exclamation mark. Next one, Vivarana Chinne means colon mark. So the next question is, Bahuvachana Rupa Bareiri. Bahuvachana means plural form. Bareiri means write. So write the plural form. So the first word is Raita. Raita means farmer. And the plural form is Raitaru means farmers. Next word is Raste. Raste means road. So the plural form is Rastegalu means roads. Next one, Mava. Mava means father-in-law. Mavandiru means father-in-laws. Next one, Anna. Anna means brother. So the plural form is Anandiru. Anandiru means brothers. Next word, Avanu. Avanu means he. And the plural form is Avaru. Avaru means they. Next one, Manusha. Manusha means human. And the plural form is Manusharu means humans. So this is all about the question and answer of the chapter Janapada in Tilikanada textbook class 5. If you feel this video is useful for you and I have make you understand the concept clearly, then please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.